because I have 10 kids.
I have 4 kids.
But you don't understand. You're not in this chair I'm sitting in either. You're not fighting for your life either.
Move on, please.
So objection to your comment. We both out of line.
Don't tell the hearing examiner he's out of line.
I never signed a contract with you, sir. With all due respect.
Go ahead. The last time.
Thank you, Mr. Hearing Examiner. As I was saying, it's notable that Mr. Harris didn't name himself as one of the witnesses. Surely as one of the primary actors in the incident.
Objection. I'm the victim.
Overruled.
Objection.
All right, we're going to end this right now. I can't deal with these foolish objections and waste of time.
A black man get overruled by all this. What's your name, sir?
Name is Maroney.
I'll be after your bond.
Please do.
So in this case, are you saying on record that this case is dismissed?
I am saying he's dismissed because of your failure to proceed appropriately.
No, I can object. By law, I can object to anything I want to object. I didn't proceed because I see the way you're going. And then at the same time, you finna do this anyway. So either way it goes, we sitting here, it's just on the record to show everybody that this objection is being tolerated.
I am stopping the record at this time because this is all a bunch of nonsense.
And you a bunch of nonsense. You're not going to disrespect me and my kids and say I'm a bunch of nonsense based off you. I'm a black man, and it's only I don't even know y'all nationality, but it's only one black woman in here that means something to y'all. I'm not mean nothing to you. You're not going to disrespect me. I'm Moorish America. And I will have your bond. So tell your grandkids to let me see that, sir. Now, make a clear trust me on that. And I'm finna go file for you right now. Make a record of that. Y'all not finna bully me based on these. Like I said, I'm finna go right down there right now, and I need your name and information right now for the record. And this is my card. And I need y'all names too. Because y'all is violating legal standpoints of constitutional rights. So as we speak, can I get everybody's name? This is my card for whoever needs me. And I'm a Moorish American, so y'all playing with the right one. Let's go. Ma'am, here go. If you choose to use it, you choose to use it. But I need everybody's name on here while I'm in here. I already knew this was going to go down. Because I'm a black man that's representing myself. And y'all doing this because these people got knowledge of the system. I ain't playing with no system. I'm a single dad. And you said you didn't give care about me being a single dad. And you also said the last time we was on the phone that you was going to bring some armed men up in here to attack me. So yes, let's go.
This is my card.
Thank you, sir.
I'm the executive director of the
Here goes my card.
You don't need the names of my staff.
I need everybody name who's ever dealing with this case right now. I need them.
You can make any complaint.
Whoever doing this right now, I need them. I don't know you. I don't know who you stand for, so I'm not trying to disrespect you. Excuse me. I'm sorry, ma'am. Forgive me. I need cards, please, before y'all walk out this room. I need cards, please, before I walk out this room.
They're not required to do.
They are required because I'm here. They are lawyers. They are going against the case. I need cards, please.
You have my card. You don't.
No, I need cards, please. Y'all with the system. Y'all with the system. Y'all with the system. Y'all with the system. I need cards. I want your bond. I want your bond. I want whoever bond. Don't understand my understanding in this. I want bond.
Hey, listen to me for 1 second.
I ain't listen to you. I don't know you.
Sir, Mr. Harris.
I don't know you.
Other than the.
This is going federal. For everybody that understands this is a federal constitutional law that y'all just did. And y'all not going to take my cards, I take them back. But y'all just violate a federal constitution with its proof. You are like I don't know you got tea parties with them. You know about your tea parties. I know about your conversation you have with them too. Yeah. I got investigators too. And it's all being recorded. Now, how about that? Yeah. Let's get this black man. Sir, shit. Excuse my language, sir. Y'all play with the right black man.
The FTC
So drive your comfortable ass home with your
As
family.
well as the hearing.
I don't know you, sir.
I'm the executive director.
So why you let this happen? If you the executive director, why you let this
Don't
happen?
yell at me.
Okay, why you let this happen?
He's hired to act as a hearing
Why
examiner.
did you let this happen in your corner?
Sir,
Why did you
The
let this
hearing
happen?
examiner is
Why
trained
did you let this happen,
you're
sir?
not letting me talk.
Because you're not giving me no right answer. I'm not going to sit here and bullcrap you. You're not going to do me. Why did you sit here and let this happen?
Sir,
Are you the head?
sir,
So why you let this happen, sir?
sir.
Because I'm coming for bonds. I don't want to talk no
I don't know
more.
what
My
that
life
means.
at risk.
Okay, I think we're done. Okay?
You want a house?
Sir,
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Them the bonds I'm talking about. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Can you take a deep breath and listen to the words that I'm
Yes,
saying?
can I? Because I don't want to have. Can I talk to you over here?
That's totally fine.
This is the only way
Yep.
this will happen. I see your bonds in court. I want your house. I want your boat. I want everything.
Mr. Harris, look at my eyes.
Y'all sit up there and let this
Look
happen.
at my face. Don't look at anybody else. Look at my face.
Y'all playing with the wrong black man. Tell you that.
Leave him alone. Mr. Harris, come here, please.
Y'all sit up here and y'all let a constitutional act get out of court.
Let's have a seat here.
This is constitutional. And if you the head, you should know that.
Look at my face.
Actually, let's go out here because they doing stuff back here. And I'm not trying to interrupt nobody.
Fine. Hold on.
You better check your staff.
I understand, sir.
Not you, man. I know this in a pretty face to try to
Nope.
shame me, but I'm not on that.
Nope, I'm not here to be pretty. I'm not
They
shit
should've-
actually today.
No, you look beautiful
That's
today.
not at all what I'm here for. What I'm here to try to do is to calm the situation down.
How you gonna calm the situation down when he just dismissed all of that?
Okay, I just need you to listen to the words I'm saying. We, the district director.
Why did he let that
I
do
just need
that?
you to listen. I can't tell you unless you let me talk. And I understand that you have big feelings right now about
These
what
not
just happened.
feelings.
Please. They are. They are in
Why?
fact feelings. They're clearly coming out. You were very upset and angry, right? Those are your feelings. That's what I'm talking about. You are the
What would your
victim, and I
feelings be?
understand. Listen to the words I'm saying, please. Before you start asking me questions, before you start raging at me.
Is this a two ways? I'm not.
Yes,
I'm not here to
I
yell
promise
at
I
you.
will let you talk to me.
Okay.
I promise. That man and myself are the reason that this case even came here.
I
okay?
thank you for that.
So before you yell at us,
I don't know him.
I
See, when
know that you don't know that. And the problem, and what I'm about to tell you is I'm going to admit our problem. Our fault in this situation was not asking the hearing examiner to explain what was going to happen in this process to you better. And so you felt attacked and confused, and I take full responsibility for that.
how when the case is over?
Sir, you didn't give me a chance to speak to you. Nobody gave it. You didn't give anybody a chance to explain to
He
you.
dismissed the case
Because
and said,
he
"Fuck
didn't
my
give-
kids."
Because no, he didn't say fuck your
He
kids.
said he
sir.
didn't give a care about my kids.
Because it wasn't about your
It
kids.
is. It's about me being a single father, man.
But like what the charges of the case didn't
But
have.
that's not
your kids
got
weren't
nothing to do
there.
with me.
But this, you are. That's the thing is you won't let it
I'm
be
the complainer.
about. Yes.
And they got charged for what they did under the
Sure.
constitutional law.
Okay, first of all, there's kids, so let's be quiet and not swear. Okay? But what I'm trying to tell you is that
Can we step back in here since they gone?
is it sure? If you would have left when you sat there and see, I can totally understand that you were angry at the situation and that you didn't agree with what the guy was saying. I didn't agree with what the guy was saying.
I was bamboozled.
Sir, this is my time to talk. And remember I told you that I promised you that I would give you time to talk? I promised you. I do not, Nico, do I lie? I'm a very serious woman, and I'm taking this very seriously. I am very angry right now.
At me, right?
Yes and no. At you for not being quiet so that we can have this case go forward. Your case is an important case.
You don't even know you've been bamboozled, man.
Your case is an important case. Your case is a case where the officers don't realize what they're doing wrong. And so we need people like you to be able to have cases that come before the people who make decisions about those officers so that they can see what is missing. And so I fought for this case, for you to sit there and be able to tell your story to those people who have
But that
power.
wasn't gonna happen.
I know, because you wouldn't let it happen.
Even if
And
I
so,
would've
yes,
let it
I
happen.
am angry at you.
Okay,
No, sir,
I apologize for my
I
anger.
100% disagree
But
with you.
you're not-
And I have the knowledge of those people who sit across the table.
But
that
you
don't.
have the knowledge. I don't. I was
I know.
bamboozled in this whole thing, whether if I'm a black man or not.
All, sir, your race has nothing to do with it. I'm a black woman. And
But-
it might not look to you like I am because I might not be black enough for you,
Ma'am.
but my daddy is dog color, okay? And I grew up on 40% Chambers. I'm not trying to bring our race in.
My good
I got
sister,
kids.
I wasn't either.
Yes, you are. And if you would have just listened to what this man across the table was saying to you and just been quiet.
So listen to Uncle Tom.
Yes, and sometimes you gotta listen to Uncle Tom.
But I'm
To
not
get your
under
point
Uncle
across
Tom
to
contract.
the people- You don't have to be under his contract. To be quiet, you are under no contract to be quiet.
You know what
All
the
it
Moors
takes is
is?
for you to take a deep breath, sir,
My good sister.
and let it out.
My good sister.
Take that deep breath in while they're lying and saying whatever you think you.
But all that's
lying,
going on
you
record.
just take it, okay, and then you get your chance to go on record. But you didn't even let it get there.
Because it wasn't gonna even get to the
Yes,
record.
it was. That's what I'm telling you. That is what I am telling you. Is it was going to get to the record. You were going to get your chance.
If
But
I
you
was
could've
gonna
just
get my
listened,
chance,
sir.
ma'am, y'all telling me if I would come to you dealing with a brother that's been beaten by the police. Beaten, not by these two polices. I'm 40 years old. I grew up in Chicago where I get beat on every fucking day about the police.
And you're talking to a woman
Listen, please,
who's working for a
please,
city who got
please,
sexually
please.
harassed
Please.
by a man.
I'm fighting for that shit. I'm fighting for women that's in the force. I'm fighting
This
for-
man who sexually harassed me, I don't get any credit for it because he's black. So don't tell me. Again, just like he said, we all come to this table with our own fucked up baggage. But what is important
I'm finna put a stop to this though.
is your case, sir.
Sir,
What is
I'm the-
important is what
I'm the-
happened in those moments.
I'm the one that referred the charges to the board because I thought that there was sufficient cause to say that they acted inappropriately. So I very rarely do this. I referred the charges to the board for a trial. At that point, it's out of my hands. Yes, I've hired the hearing examiner as a contractor, but I can't do that and then micromanage every decision he makes. I hired him, I have to let him do that, otherwise I'm interfering in the process then, and I do have to let it play out, let him make the legal decisions, let the board members make the factual decisions. And so, I agreed with you that the officers were wrong. That's why I referred the charges
So as
to
a
the board.
citizen who's representing himself don't have a right to represent himself?
You do, sir, and that's what I'm saying. Is if you would have just listened a little bit, and that's what I said in the hallway. That's our.
Was
first,
you on the
right?
phone call,
Did I
the
take-
first phone call?
Yes.
Before this?
God, yes.
So you already
wasn't on
know,
that.
so you already know that this wasn't even gonna go to court.
I know, I did. I knew that. I was hoping to God.
I
Listen to me,
apologize
sir. I was
because
hoping to God that you could control yourself and that he could keep control of the situation long enough so that you could start talking and feel heard. Because that is, in fact, what needs to be happening. And I understand, and maybe we should make the process so that you can go first, even if the person is bringing a motion. Whatever it is that we need
the
to
fact that they
learn
was able to go
from this
first.
process, sir, if that's
was
what
wrong.
it is, if you're allowed to move for whatever you want, they can move to dismiss it, and then you
And
get
I
to
can
say
move
to
for
them,
their bonds too.
and then you get to say to them, no, in this thing, outside of this, they said, I want to dismiss. He said, okay, give me your reasons. They talk.
But he turned
and
down
then,
every reason of mine.
And then they turn to you, and he says, you would think that your case shouldn't be dismissed. And you say, yes, sir, I do. And he says to you, then explain to me why. And then that's your turn, where you say, their motion is bullshit because X, Y, Z, A, B,
Now, they went
C,
to
whatever it
my
is.
childhood. They went to my childhood
sir.
to try to prove a point that didn't even have nothing to do with
So that's
the
what you,
officers
so
of
that's what you
negligence.
say. You say,
But I wasn't gonna even have allowed to see what
yes,
you
you
have.
were. Yes, you were.
How can y'all say that? I'm listening to you,
Because
ma'am. But I thought this was a two-way thing.
Because I made him. Because we are the ones that said.
But I don't know you guys. I just met her. I don't know you guys. Y'all gotta see where I'm coming from too.
I know.
I don't know
And that's
y'all.
what I- and
And
that's
if you
what I-
fought for that hard for this to happen, man, on my motherfucking knees, I thank you. Like
Thank
real
you.
quick,
And I wish
kissing
I
your
could've
feet.
jumped up and
Thank
said
you.
something in the
Like
in the middle of it, so it wasn't dismissed. dismissed. I can't fix what happened, okay?
But
What
we
I-
are black. We are
But I
black.
can
And
take
don't we?
responsibility
Until we stand up, sis. Until we stand up, we're not gonna have a chance in this legal system. No black woman, no
You are
black
preaching to
man,
the
no
choir.
none of that.
You
We're
are
not gonna have a
preaching to the
chance. That's where the morals come in at, sis.
You are-
This is where I got your back at,
Okay,
sis.
fine.
Because I'm not gonna allow him to do that. I'm not gonna allow you, sisters, to be struggling and doing all the shit that y'all doing to try to prove y'all point. Y'all work for the
you're
government.
killing
I don't
me
work
right
for the
now.
government. I don't have a contract with the
But you're
government.
killing me right now by doing what you're doing.
Why I'm killing you? Because I'm strong?
No, because now your case is gone. Because now we don't get
It was going before it started,
But
ma'am.
it wasn't.
I don't think he was gonna
But it
dismiss the
wasn't.
case.
Ma'am, look, I'm already in court for another case. That's the same case where they sharing evidence.
No.
Yes, they are sharing evidence. I got
About the
proof.
criminal case.
Oh,
I got proof of this.
Yeah.
They're sharing evidence.
We're outside.
That's where they got my background and my what's your name, which is illegal. It's illegal because they're trying to use that. That's what they was going to use
And that's
to
his
try to
job.
throw this chaos. But you're not
His-
listening to me,
his
mama.
job is to
You
say-
going off the fact that you got the case here. You're not going off the fact that the case wasn't going nowhere.
It wasn't.
Because the concept of who's in charge, an old ass white man and a young old ass. One man stay with his goddamn mama. One man stay with his two parents.
These guys
He
aren't
stay with his
in
two
charge.
goddamn parents.
So these guys don't make any decisions. All their
It
job
doesn't
is-
matter, but that's who, because they have the
How can that
law,
matter?
because they have their license as attorneys.
Okay.
And they have been doing this attorney work for so long.
But that
And
doesn't-
so they're going to get the credibility to be heard first or do whatever. So in any case, mama, they are going to be the reason that people listen to. I'm just a black man. They don't care about my moral status.
Okay.
They don't care about what, but I got to show them my moral status ain't nothing to play with.
Sir, can I tell you
Sir,
something
can
though?
I say something?
Yes.
I think that, and I will give to you, you have good reason to be suspicious of the FPC and its oversight and whether or not it takes cases seriously.
How,
I
look
think-
at
I
look
think
at how
that
many
that's-
women in law enforcement get raped by their own chief, by their own fucking co-workers, and that shit do not go nowhere. So you think this loopy ass misdemeanor case was finna go somewhere?
I did.
Especially when I'm in here representing myself.
Yes. Yes, it would have.
So why y'all didn't say nothing? Y'all arguing like me. Why?
They're not part of the proceeding.
We're not the hearing.
Then why they here? If he the
I'm
leader.
trying to explain to
They're
you,
the ones that
sir.
brought the charges.
Because I'm trying to explain to you, sir. I'm trying to take responsibility for my error in this case, which is not asking him to explain the process better to you. Because I think
No one is playing. I came in here blindfolded. I had to drink some goddamn tea, anxiety fucking tea, to hold that down. But I would not sit here and let no white man or nobody sit up here and tell me myself, I'm a good father, I'm for the community, I do a lot of stuff for the police.
For sure.
A lot of shit. And they're
Nobody-
not going to disrespect me under that context.
Okay. And
Excuse my language.
but what you have to do, and
I'm a man for anything. So if it was, that man threatened me on the phone, say he was going to have armed
No, he's
people
gonna
up
call
in here.
a sergeant at arms, which is a different.
Why? If we just doing a
Because-
proceeding
because
and it
you-
says no things on the door out there, so why would we call an armed man
It's just a
in
statement,
here?
it's not armed.
They got y'all trained
No.
to go with what they talking about.
It's a.
Y'all are trained because this is y'all work. This is not my work. I'm a self-employed guy.
A sergeant at arms is just somebody to be.
He's still armed. It says no firearms down there.
There's no arms. There's no action. It's just a term.
No
Yeah.
terms. No. Where I come from, sister, we gotta take
I
that
get
very
that.
serious.
And I understand that. And
So anytime an armed person is around me, then that means I would have came in with my vest on. But at the same time, I'm sitting here like, you know what? Okay, relax, breathe, try to let them get through it. But based off the just objection, when he told me, I said, you know what? I'm not going to even speak on the objection because I was going to wait my turn. He didn't even give me that benefit of the doubt. He overruled. So at that time, any objection that he wants in, and I got proof that shows
I
that,
vote.
this case was just to be on record to get dismissed.
No. No.
Because that officer, them officers, he's a fucking woman beater. The dude
believe
kicked
it.
in his fucking door, his child door, and beat his fucking woman with a fucking shotgun. And y'all letting him work for y'all. Y'all speaking up for him.
I'm not speaking up for him, so do not. Do not put words in my mouth.
So I'm not putting words in your
Guess
mouth.
what?
I'm
Just that I'm
expressing
speaking up
the
there.
facts, mama. I got facts, baby.
I didn't see.
I got
just
everything.
told you.
The
I
same way
said-
them brothers was doing
I
their
said,
investigation.
this right
That's how I
here-
know the young man stayed with his fucking mama.
I get that.
And the real lawyer who's supposed to been on there, I don't even think he was here.
But they're not. But they don't matter to
They
the kids.
represent the police
Yeah.
officers.
All they're ever gonna do.
And good, right? They got represented. The police officer got represented. But look video black niggas sitting right here with just small education of what they got, and they not finna show me no motherfucking respect. So I gotta own my respect. I'm sorry if y'all not with what I'm talking about, but I'm going out the bonds. Anybody bonds? I got kids to
Go,
food.
do what you're gonna do.
Real talk. I didn't know y'all, so my argument is not with y'all.
Okay, but listen, I'm trying to help you for future cases, okay? I'm like, because I can't be your attorney.
So y'all should have said something right
No,
then and there.
for our interactions, for when you talk.
They
about
came in
your
here
son,
with two
when you
attorneys
go in for your
ready to
testimony.
throw this case out,
Mr.
and it was that. And
Harris,
you
look at
say
me
you
in the face.
over him.
Not really.
You say he hired him, so he the boss.
No.
You the boss.
I
He
haven't.
is the boss.
But he said he the boss, he hired
I
that
haven't-
man.
We have his
signed
contract.
Then you just
contract,
said you hired him.
But his contract.
But then you said you hired him.
But I can't.
But then you say you hired him.
him.
So in my head, sir, a person you don't know, you the boss of him because you hired him and you let a proceeding go on that shouldn't went on. Yes, I could have been more, but I'm in this has been going on a year. My business is stopped because these officers are out here doing dumbass shit and hurting innocent people, and I'm able to continue to serve and protect a quote of what they saying they do when you got a wife at home with her kids is scared to breathe because of this guy coming in from his work and doing this. So it's not my fault. Y'all think I'm the only case that was. This is what the system
No,
do.
we're not, but-
Anytime when it comes to
Okay,
black
wait.
men, this is what the
Hold on
system
a minute,
do.
though. You're not-
How long you been working in the system?
Hold on. I've worked for this city since 2015.
How long is that?
8 years now.
So they baby you.
No.
No, on my mama grade they baby
Just
you.
wait,
On Jackie
wait,
make
listen
sure
to
they
the words
baby
that are
you.
coming out of my mouth, okay?
No one's listening to me though.
I am. I'm for sure. I am responding. What's about to come out of my mouth is a direct response to the words that you just said. Nothing. We are not overrun with complaints by people like you.
I'm gonna go right back and complain.
Wait. I understand that people like you who have experienced what you experienced happens every day, but those people don't come here to complain to us.
And I'm here. And I'm gonna go right back.
You are our one opportunity to
So give me this opportunity to reopen this case and do it again, because I want to fill out another complaint. All the process and procedures there, and if it's not going to be no one lawyer, or no, it needs to be, that chair needs to be full with 3 different fucking
It's-
nationality people when
know-
it comes to this damn proceeding. It don't need to be that's no one old ass white
It
man.
would have been.
Yeah.
And if you would have let it, if you would have just been quiet.
Ain't no let it.
Sir, Mr. Harris, listen to me. For 5 seconds, I just needed you to let me get this one thing out. If you would have been quiet and let Chair Maroney, or Mr. Maroney, speak, let you talk, and then
What?
wait, stop, and then say to them, your motion is dismissed, then the next time you would have been here, across the table from you, would have been a black man, a white lady, and a Latina lady.
They weren't finna let that go because they played on my anxiety.
No,
Two
sir.
of them at least are very much pro-police reform.
No, sir. No, sir. That's
But
the thing.
look
That's
who
what
y'all talk-
you
y'all trying to get me to
stopped- You
understand.
stopped the situation with your behavior. I need you.
Ain't no behavior, ma'am. I'm in here fighting for my life.
Yes.
You can't keep saying here I'm doing a behavior. If I'm not in here,
You have
if
to take a deep breath and
okay,
be quiet
I
and let
took
other
a
people
deep
talk.
breath. I took a deep
But you
breath.
also have to be quiet and let
Are
other
y'all
people talk.
defending because I was talking to him and he said forget he don't care about my kids? This was this going on?
No, I was mad that he said that. Honestly, I was like, God damn it, that's fucking gonna bait this dude into responding back.
And that's what he did, and that's what he did,
If I'm
and that-
100% honest with you, I was angry when you said that.
You've been bamboozled.
No,
Whether
I'm
you,
not.
yes, you are. Everybody that's standing in this room, including the boss that hired this guy, has been bamboozled. This case was never going because the way a Milwaukee PD works. It's never going. When I got a case with goddamn, this ain't the first case.
Milwaukee PD.
Marquette police
Right here.
assaulted me and tasing me, and I fucked up from it right now. You think they took that case? And I have the paperwork to prove it.
Power over Marquette.
I'm telling you, because they still with
MPD is the only people
MPD.
that we have
But they are
power
part
over,
of
and they're only
MPD.
right here, sir. Everybody else over on that end of the table has nothing to do with MPD. And and/or is the only people with power to do anything to MPD, besides the chief.
But it was only one person and it should have been right there. And I'm
He is
going
the
to the
judge.
federal, he ain't no judge.
Yes, of this proceeding, he is the
Hey,
judge.
he's just a proceeding hearing person. He's not even
Yes.
a judge anymore.
But that's our judge. Like this proceeding.
But he's not a real judge that
He's
will
the only
act
thing that we
on the
have for a
proceeding.
judge.
He hired because of his hiring
Yes.
to come here as an experienced judge to oversee something. But in reality, constitutional, he's not legal.